What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting some good old American flag inserts into the tailgate of the Silverado. All right, y'all, so if you've never seen a Silverado before, I have no idea what you're doing here, but these letters in the tailgate are indented. And so these will just insert into there. I'm not gonna show y'all putting stickers on it, but that's what we're doing. So all I did, I washed the truck and I took an alcohol wipe, little one of those Johnnies, and just wipe down the interior, and I'm gonna throw some stickers on. All right, so I'm not even gonna try and milk 8 minutes out of this one, but there is the finished product. So I think this was like 40 bucks on Amazon. I just looked for the best reviewed one. There's tons of these things. You can get black, chrome, camo, etc. Had to go with the American flag. Obviously super easy. You just throw them on. It's one of those things, the more you think about it, the worse it turns out. So I just kind of slapped them on there. Careful not to drop them. This junction, it came like that, separated. I tried to line it up as good I could, but there's that. I mean, they're clean cut. The only problems is those two junctions. This one you can see is already cracked as well. But I mean, from afar, who really cares? So in terms of color, this is kind of a darkish two-tone red, which is darker than the taillight. But this red and this red match pretty darn close. So that ties the reds in together, I would say. Keep a little bit of red on the truck. As for the blue, obviously the truck is sort of bluish, but nothing else on the truck is blue, so it's all right. Oh, glory, baby. They are super sticky. I dropped one actually, thank God it landed sticky side up, but once you stick it on there, it's kind of where it's gonna be, so be careful on that. And then additionally, like the E and the T, if you squeeze it, it'll obviously deform, so make sure that you're holding them nice and light. But there we go, baby. So yeah, I've been wanting to do that for a while. Finally just figured, why the hell not? Get some inserts for the tailgate there. Had to go with the American flag. Black didn't make any sense to me, obviously not chrome. They have a black and white American flag, but as my good old boy Craig would say, can't do America like that. You gotta get the red, white, and blue. There was camo, carbon fiber, etc. Couldn't fathom doing camo just for the fact that nothing on the truck is green and or brown. So that's it. Tell me what y'all think. Super easy. I mean, for 40 bucks, what do you expect? And you can't tell, you know, those cracked areas from way back here. They do sell some of these. They're like $120. So if you want to go that route, go ahead. But I really don't see any reason. Obviously, you know, far back here, it looks just fine. Just take a little bit of time, line them up, and we're cooking.